It's time for you to buy a house and you need a conventional loan. What do you need to know and do in order to get qualified? Number one, you got to apply. I know that sounds simple, and it is simple, but people don't do it. You need to fill out a loan application. A loan application gives a mortgage professional important information that they need in order to qualify you for a loan. It's going to give them your legal name, it's going to give them your date of birth, your social security number, where you live, where you work, how much money that you've made, and lots of other information. You have to fill this out in order for me as a loan officer to talk to you about purchasing a home. It's simple. There are qualifying rules that go into a mortgage, and a conventional loan is no different. In order to qualify, I need to know this information. So number one, fill out a loan application. It's simple, typically takes less than 10 minutes to do, and it's really easy. It's all information that you'll know. Step number two, provide your documentation. It doesn't matter what you say in the loan application. If your documentation doesn't support it, then it's not good information. We call that garbage in, garbage out. If you put in information, even information that you think is accurate, but the documentation doesn't support it, then that's not going to help us. And we're going to give you bad information if we haven't seen that documentation. Well, Michael, what's an example of that? Here's a perfect one. If you're self-employed and you tell me in your loan application, I make $10,000 a month, that's great. And you might bill your clients $10,000 a month. But what you might not realize is you might have $7,000 in expenses every month. And your tax returns show your taxable income as $3,000 a month or $36,000 for the year. To qualify for a home, you don't qualify with a $10,000 income, you qualify with a $3,000 income because we have to count those expenses. We have to subtract them from the total money that you made in order to calculate your income. So you fill out the application as best you know how. That's step one. Step two is you upload the documents that we request. Those documents are going to help us substantiate or back up what you put in the application. But still, there might be a disconnect there. So step three, and this is the most important one, talk to a qualified mortgage professional. If you're doing a conventional loan, the documentation may be different than a different type of loan. But that documentation must be looked at and correctly interpreted to make sure that when the underwriter looks at your application and your documentation, those two agree with each other, because this is the information we're providing them to say, hey, let's lend this person money to purchase a home. And if this side isn't right, or if this side doesn't support this side, then you're going to have a problem buying a home. Now, conventional loans are not much different than government loans, so the steps are basically the same. 3 easy steps. Number one, complete a loan application. Number two, provide the necessary documentation. We can talk about that in another video. And number three, have a conversation with a mortgage expert, someone who knows what they're doing, not someone on the other end of a phone call from a company that's thousands of miles away and purchase your information as a lead over the internet. Have a conversation with a local mortgage professional who knows what they're doing. Follow those 3 steps, you'll have a fantastic mortgage process.